Hello, good morning everyone. I am Professor S.R. Kale. Today I am here with another video of biotechnology, that is DNA repair mechanism. Outline of this topic is introduction, sources of DNA damage, causes of DNA damage, mechanism of DNA repair, global response to DNA damage, medicine and DNA damage repair, DNA repair and cancer, DNA repairing and anti-aging. We will begin with DNA repair. See, DNA repair is a collection of processes by which a cell identifies and corrects damage to the DNA molecule that encode its genome. The rate of DNA repair is dependent on many factors such as the cell type, then the age of the cell and the extracellular environment. Now we'll see what is DNA damage. DNA damage is an alteration in the chemical structure of DNA, such as a break in a strand of DNA, a base missing from the backbone of DNA, or a chemically changed base such as 8-OHDG. Damage to DNA that occurs naturally can result from metabolic DNA damage due to environmental factors and normal metabolic processes inside the cell. The vast majority of DNA damage affects the primary structure of the double helix. Sources of damage. DNA damage can be subdivided into two main types. First one is endogenous damage and second one is exogenous damage. See, in case of endogenous damage, in this, attack by reactive oxygen species which is produced from normal metabolic byproducts such as spontaneous mutation reaction, especially the process of oxidative deamination. It also includes replication errors. And in case of exogenous damage, it is caused by the external agent such as UV range at 200 to 400 nm, radiation from the sun, then other radiation frequencies which including X-ray and gamma rays, certain plant toxin and few viruses. Types of DNA damage. Basically there are three major types of DNA damage. First one is oxidative damage, second one is hydrolytic damage and third one is DNA strand breaks. Now we will see mechanism of DNA repairing. First one is direct reversal repair. In this case, most cases of DNA damage are not reversible. For cases that are irreversible, our body uses direct reversal repair mechanism to correct the damage base. Mechanism include direct reversal repair is a mechanism of repair where the damaged area or lesion is repaired directly by specialized protein in our body. It is the simplest form of DNA repair and also the most energy efficient method. It does not require a reference template unlike the other signal strand repair mechanism. See, it is explained with the help of example of 3-methyl cytosine which is get converted into cytosine. Next is excision repair. Most such damaged products involve neither pyrimidine dimer nor O6 alkyl guanine, so they must be handled by a different mechanism. Most are removed by a process called excision repair. The damaged DNA is first removed, then replaced with fresh DNA. Mechanism. The damaged DNA is first removed, then replaced with fresh DNA by one of two mechanisms: base excision repair or nucleotide excision repair. Next, mismatch repair, double stranded break repair, and recombinant repair. Base excision repair. Base excision repair is more prevalent and usually works on common, relatively subtle changes to DNA base such as chemical modification, caused by cellular agent. Mechanism. This process begins with DNA glycosylase, which exude a base in a damaged base pair. Then clip out the damaged base, leaving an apurinic or apyridinic site that attract the DNA repair enzyme that remove the remaining deoxyribose phosphate and replace it with a normal nucleotide. In bacteria, DNA polymerase 1 is the enzyme that fills in the missing nucleotide in BER. In eukaryote, DNA polymerase B plays this role. However, this enzyme makes mistake and has no proof reading activity. Nucleotide excision repair. Nucleotide excision repair generally deals with more drastic changes to bases, many of which distort the DNA double helix. These changes tend to be caused by mutagenic agent from outside of the cell. A good example of such damage is pyridamine dimer caused by UV light. Mechanism. Nucleotide excision repair typically handles bulky damage that distort the DNA double helix. Next is mismatch repairing. Mismatch repair deal with the correcting mismatches of the normal bases, that is failure to maintain normal Watson-Crick base repairing, that is ATCG. Recognition of a mismatch requires several different proteins. SOS repair. E. coli pol3 is unable to replicate through lesion AP site thymine dimer, causing replication fork collapse. To restore the replication fork can either include recombination repair, which uses homologous chromosome as the template, or SOS repair uses two bypass DNA polymerase Pol 4 and Pol 4. These are error-prone DNA polymerase, which lacks the 3' end and 5' exonuclease. SOS is a mutagenic process. This is a last resort if DNA has not been repaired by other mechanism. Thank you everyone. So here we are completed with the DNA repairing.